In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Zelle using an email. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to access Zelle. Now, if you have a bank that actually has Zelle built into it, you can go ahead and use that. So I'm using one bank right over here, but I know there's many other banks that actually do allow you to access Zelle within their app itself. So the point is you just want to go ahead and access Zelle like you normally would. It doesn't really matter. It's okay if you have a different app than me or if you're just using the Zelle app directly. The point is it will still get the job done. So please go ahead and select on send money just like so. Then go ahead and press on send money right over here. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to the search bar and typing in our recipient's email. Now, here's where things get really important, guys. You want to make sure that you type in your recipient's email exactly the way it is. In fact, I always recommend to send a screenshot and then send it to the recipient just to double check, because obviously the last thing you want to do is send it to the wrong email and then have things messed up. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and enter in their email address. All right, then go ahead and press on continue right over here and then give your recipient a name. So I'm just going to be calling this test example right over here. There you go. Then go ahead and press on continue. Then go ahead and press on send it just like so. What you need to do is you need to make sure 1000% that this is the correct email. Then go ahead and enter how much you want to send. Press on review, and then you are good to go. Now, your recipient needs to have Zelle in order to actually accept the payment. So that's another thing you want to verify. Verify that the person you're trying to send it to actually does have Zelle set up and stuff like that. So if they appear under the section that says my Zelle ready contacts, that means that they are good to go, meaning that you can send the money and they're going to receive it instantly. If they're not on this list, that means they do not have Zelle ready. So they need to go ahead and get Zelle ready in order for them to accept the payments. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.